It's easy for your car's windscreen to suffer damage. Usually, chips or cracks occur when stones, rocks or gravel hit the glass when you're traveling at a high speed. This often happens when other cars on the road cause debris to hit the glass. There are a wide range of different cracks and chips, including a bullseye. Bullseye breaks are named after the bullseye on a dartboard. They are caused by rocks or other round objects. It is similar to a chip, but larger. This type of damage is easily fixed if repaired early. A half moon, sometimes known as a partial bullseye, is a semicircle and is also caused by a circular object. The damage is similar to a bullseye, but is not completely circular. Cracks are unlikely to form from a half moon, and it is easily repaired. A star breaks are small cracks leading away from where the object hit the glass, leaving a starburst pattern. If a star break is not repaired immediately, it can cause numerous long cracks that spread across the windscreen. A combination break. This leaves multiple types of chips and cracks in a windscreen. It is a mix of bullseye and star breaks, resulting in extensive damage, often with missing chunks of glass. The damage is difficult to repair, and a full windscreen replacement is often required. An edge crack. This is the most common type of crack. Due to the way windscreens are made and installed, the outer 2 to 3 inches have stress defects, leaving the area more vulnerable to fractures. This type of crack starts within 2 inches of the edge of the windscreen, and even tiny cracks can become 10 to 12 inches long. Full windscreen replacements are needed. A stress crack. These cracks occur without anything hitting the glass, normally due to rapid temperature changes, such as a very cold car suddenly exposed to heat or a hot car suddenly chilled. Cracks are normally straight and almost always start at the edge of the windscreen. Again, windscreen replacements are usually needed. A chip. A standard chip occurs when a rock or other hard object causes a small piece of glass to come away from the windscreen. When this happens, a visible chip will be left behind, and the windscreen becomes unstable and unsafe. A floater crack. This type of crack begins at the central point of the windscreen. If it is not located within 2 inches of the edge of the windscreen, it qualifies as a floater crack. This vulnerable area of glass is particularly susceptible to damage that may spread, not to mention that cracks and chips within this area will obscure the driver's vision far more than those located around the edges of the glass. At the Windscreen Company, we can help with all kinds of windscreen damage. No matter what kind of chip or crack your windscreen has sustained, we'll help get you moving again with our leading repair and replacement services.